So almost 2 to 3 days ago, I switched back to Cursor because I was just done with Claude and I just wanted to give GPT-5 one more shot. If you are regular to this channel, you know that I created a video comparing GPT-5 and Claude, and at that moment, GPT-5 really sucked. But then I tried out GPT-5 again in Cursor 3 days ago, and it absolutely blew away Opus. Like Claude just really likes to write down code which does not make any sense, and it just keeps going overboard, trying to be nice, but at the same time nothing works. But GPT-5 takes a lot of time. It's a slow model, but it generates code that works and it's actually making more sense. It keeps following my instructions and does not do anything extra. And that is something I really appreciate. I want to be in a loop of what the AI agent does. I don't just want it to just keep going and doing random stuff all around the code base. But recently, Anthropic just released Claude 4.5 Sonnet, and they also released the next version of Claude Code, Claude Code V2. So I just thought, I also have a Claude Code subscription right now. I just cancelled it, but I still have a few days left. Why not go ahead and test out Claude 4.5 Sonnet versus GPT-5 in Cursor? I'm going to try to keep it fair. I'm going to set GPT-5 to medium, and I'm going to use Claude 4.5 Sonnet on Claude Code. I'm only going to test UI stuff. I only like to do stuff with AI that I usually don't like to do, which is UI. I understand how UIs work. I can build UIs, but it's so tiresome. I really don't want to deal with it. GPT-5 is really good at UIs, so I usually use that. And so in this video, we're going to make a comparison of which model generates better UIs. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so this is how we are going to do things here. So I have this prompt, and we're going to have a couple of prompts in this video. And I'm actually going to use this with Claude and GPT-5 at the same time. So I have Claude Code running here. So I have two Next.js apps running as well, one on 3000 and one on 3001. And 3000 is supposed to be Claude's folder and 3001 is supposed to be GPT-5 folder. And we have Claude Code running on the Claude folder right now, as you can see. So I also want to quickly go ahead and select the model. And as you can see, it's default 4.5 Sonnet now, because I guess they just realized that giving Opus for free for a very long time has been backfiring on them, and they are not finding enough compute to do all of that stuff. So I guess this decision was right. So we are just gonna select default, which is 4.5 Sonnet, and here on Cursor we have GPT-5 medium fast, exactly what we need. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy the prompt. Oops. And I'm gonna go here in Claude, paste it, and also Cursor, I'm gonna paste it. So this is gonna take some time, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pause the video, and I'm gonna be back when it has done generating. Surprisingly, GPT-5 is already done, and it is actually going to go ahead and install dependencies now. So previously I just kept it to like anything, so it was running automatically, but right now it's blocking. So it's gonna use npm again. It still hasn't figured out that we are using bun, right? Like GPT-5 sometimes figures it out. So I'm just gonna say use bun, and hopefully make sure like hopefully this works. And let's see how much time it takes. I'm just gonna say don't ask me permissions again. So yeah, I'm gonna pause the video again and be back. Okay, so it didn't take a lot of time. I think what it did was it first added the components and then installed the package, which is such a bad thing to do. I do not like this practice at all, but I guess that's fine. And it's funny how it includes GPT-4, GPT 3.5 models, and only one, it has Claude 3 but does not have Claude 4, and it has, okay, Claude 4 does not know about its own existence, which is crazy, you know. So are we ready? Let's go back and first check out the Claude one. So pretty sure this is the Claude one. Let's confirm. So this should be the 3001. Yeah, I guess it's the Claude one. So yeah, it should be 3001. So the 3001, so not the port 3001, but the one on port 3000. You get what I mean. So this is the chat app which it made. I think it's decent. It's nothing really amazing, but if I just type a message, would it be okay? So it's not actually working tabs. They are still not different tabs. I understand why it would do that, but like I don't, at the same time I feel like even if you're not creating a real AI chat app, at least you should have different tabs and different memory for different of those. You also have this drop down where you can select your model. Oh, and you also have these themes. You have midnight, you have ocean, you have forest, which are pretty bad. Why is sunset pink? And then we have light mode, alert. If you wanna skip, go 10 seconds forward, I guess. Oh, yeah, I guess that's it. And you can create chats, but It's the same thing, right? You cannot like they are not really different things. So yeah, so perfect. And if I can simply just the edit works, yeah, the edit works, the delete works, but all of them are just the same chat. And can I search database? Yeah, perfect. So it is working. Claude, there you go. And now let's check out GPT-5. GPT-5 came up with this. I okay, right off the bat, I think that this is ugly. This should have been in the bottom, but it's fine, I guess. What I really like is the subtle gradient here, and it actually got the different chats like right here, and you have this assistant panel. Use this to send, switch theme. You don't need to have this assistant panel this big, but it's fine. um, oh, the send message also has this really good gradient. I like the UI. It's just the thing that it could have been better if this was at the bottom and there was no assistant panel. Let's check out themes. It does not have a preview, so Ocean, Rose, all of them have the same themes. Like even Claude did the same stuff, right? But it got the sunset one, right? And let's have Emerald. My personal favorite is the Rose one. It actually like even the gradient. Does the gradient change colors? I don't think so, but it looked like either that or sunset. Like these are the two of my favorites. Now, usually I like to just go to the different prompt, but I actually want to quickly go ahead and ask it to improve it. So I'm going to go to cursor. I'm going to actually go ahead and start typing my prompt. So first of all, let me just go ahead and shift my portrait so you don't see my stupid face right now. I'm going to say improve this. I usually like to just say the model that this is very bad UI. This UI is 1 out of 10. Very bad job, even though it was really good. Go ahead and improve it drastically. I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna send it to cursor, and I'm also gonna send it to Claude. So yeah, so I'm gonna come back when this is done. So let's go. All right, so the wait is over. In this one, Claude was the first one to actually go ahead and finish this, and GPT-5 was much slower, which is expected because GPT-5 is a slower model. So if we go back and hello, Claude. Yeah, I actually tried to refresh the server as well, but this is the end output. It also has this weird hydration error, and I guess this was not really a good idea. I mean, it definitely didn't. Like, this is supposed to be a bug, right? But it doesn't seem like it did any kind of improvement here. If we go to the GPT-5 version, nothing much different. You're not supposed to show models and stuff here. I guess assistant panel is something like if I prompted better, both Claude and GPT-5 could do it better, but I just wanted to see how it does when I just say to just make it better. So apparently it has this theme. Now it shows the color ones in gradients, which is actually really amazing. Search I didn't try out before. So yeah, search also work. So if I type something and send, we don't have a simulated response, but we do have this rated buttons, which is really amazing. I can actually copy. These are good quality of life changes. I also have this attachment button now, and I also have these little things. So if I just click this, nothing happens. All right, I guess it's fine. Both of them did really poor job. If we prompted it better, it would have been doing this better. But yeah, anyways, I guess in this round the clear winner is GPT-5. So we're gonna go ahead to the next round and see who wins. All right, so we have the same setup again, plain Next.js application with Claude and GPT-5 folder having different stuff. And then we have Claude running here, and we have also cursor here. Now actually I'm gonna go ahead and use the second prompt, which is here. Oops, where is it? Oh yeah, it's this one. Okay, no, I guess it's this one. Create a local first gamified app where users can set goals, basically a Habitica clone type of thing, but local first. No network involved. So I'm just gonna copy this. I'm gonna go ahead and does it say, yeah, I think I should also add something like in this one I should also add be as creative as possible. Don't actually don't hesitate to add new features if they make sense. So I'm just gonna go ahead and copy this. Gonna paste it into cursor. Gonna paste it into Claude, and we're gonna get started both of the places. So yeah, I'm gonna be back when this is done. All right, so both are done. In this case, GPT-5 was faster than Claude. So if we go back, we are gonna see the Claude one. All right, this not something that I expected. If I click on new goal, the model opens. So you can just say walk, I guess. Health, frequency should be daily. I should get 100 points, and target count should be just single completion goal. I'll just create, okay, I need to give a description. Just say walk and create a goal. And if I just do complete, I'm gonna have goal completed 1, and it's gonna go here into completed section, and I can create a new reward. Pizza, and it should be food. Cost should be, I guess, 20. Create reward. Can I redeem it now? Okay, so I can only redeem reward once. And one thing which is cool, it has this XP system, and it also has these achievements. This is a cool creative stuff to add, but the UI is bad, really bad. So let's go to GPT-5 now. GPT-5, it's fine. I won't say it's the best. I think GPT-5 underperformed here, to be honest. These gradients are something, it's something like Claude would do, not GPT-5. But it's fine. We didn't give it a detailed prompt. It was just build this and just do it whatever you like. And there is no achievements yet, but there's like, where is the list of achievements I can get? So I cannot just add goal. I can just say walk. Walking should give me 100 points. I'm just gonna add those. And reward should be pizza. Pizza should be 20 points. I'm gonna add those. And I'm gonna also go ahead and add another. I'm just gonna say run should be 200. And yeah, add it also. So I can simply click on run and also walk. And okay, I cannot do it twice, which is funny. So can I redeem pizza? Okay, so I cannot redeem pizza again, but it says it was redeemed already. So you can actually go ahead and create. It's the same behavior as Claude, but I just wished it would let me redeem a reward more than once. But this seems to be broken because this pressing complete doesn't add more things. So yeah, it says level 2, it says first step achievement. So it also has implemented achievements. I guess all of this is coming from some kind of training it has, both of these models have gone through, because like they are using the same name as well, which is crazy. I also have this cool reset button which just resets everything. Yeah, I guess both are pretty similar, and I guess I would give this UI basis, I would give this to GPT-5. Functionality basis, I will give it to this Claude, but this looks horrendous. It's just the fact that it shows me all the achievements and shows which one are unlocked. This one only shows me here, which is still not very detailed. But yeah, UI wise, I guess GPT-5 is better, not the really best. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hope this video gives you a better decision which model to choose. For me, my decision is still going to be the same. I'm still gonna keep using GPT-5. I don't think these improvements are really that substantial that I would go back to Claude, especially after the anger that Claude gives me every time I use it. It's like every time I use Claude, it just tries to test my patience, and I always end up cursing at it, which is never ideal, because if these AI models take over, I don't want to be targeted first. Yeah, that was a very bad joke, but yeah, GPT-5 is still the superior for me. If you have different thoughts, let me know about that in the comments down below. Also, would you like me to test out Codex CLI? If that's the case, also let me know that in the comments below as well. If you have any other ideas regarding AI or web development in general, let me know that as well. So go ahead, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.